Hello, welcome to Mouse Coding. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own caps lock identifier on your user input. Say you are creating a user input for password, and then somebody clicks on caps lock accidentally, then they'll get a notification that the caps lock is on, so that they'll be able to either switch it off or keep it on. So let's go. This is just my index.html in the folder called text, and I'm using Sublime Text. So let me open my Sublime Text and just type in my HTML. Okay, so say caps lock. Then we are going to create one input. Input will say password, and we just give it an ID password, and then we're going to create another span which will say caps lock is on, caps lock is on. Then we'll give it an ID of span. Then we're going to style this so that we can center them. So let me zoom in my code so that you can be able to see. Okay, I'm sure this is big enough for you to see. So let me simply create a style so that I can style my inputs and the other stuff, to put them at the middle. So I'm going to push them in a div. Like this. Then I'll just say with this 50% margin, which is going to be, let me say, 40 pixels auto. Then I'm going to refresh my browser. Okay, you can see right now, we can see the caps lock is on, but let me hide it. So I'll say I'll just copy ID span, color going to be red, and display none. Then let me put a break tag here. I think this is all. Now let's go and work on the JavaScript. We're actually coding using vanilla JavaScript. So say script, say var password is equal to document dot get element by ID of password. Then we say password dot event add event listener. We want to listen to key up each time that somebody clicks in the password input. Wants to listen to that. Then we'll create a function event. Then we're going to say if event dot get modifier state caps lock. Then this function, JavaScript function, it is looking for the caps lock. If the caps lock on your computer is on, then this is going to fire what you're going to click in here. So we're going to say document.getElement by ID span dot style dot display equal to block. Right now we're hiding the ID span, we're hiding this whole thing, but if the caps lock on your computer is on, it's going to show that caps lock is on. Or else we're just going to copy this, paste it here, and then we're going to say display none. So meaning if your caps lock is off, you're not going to see this message. If your caps lock is on, you're going to see this message. So this is the entire code. So let's go and test this in our browser. So I've saved, and then I go back to the browser. I refresh it. Right now you can't see the error. So if I type in and my caps lock is off, so you are not seeing anything. But immediately I click on my caps lock, it gets on. You can see it shows caps lock is on. If I switch off my caps lock, it instantly goes off. So this is how you can write your caps lock on or off using pure or vanilla JavaScript. So if you want the code, please comment on my YouTube channel and give me a like. I will be able to send you this simple code that you can use in your HTML or PHP in your code. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much.